Oh, hello. My name is Katie Peach and I own Katie's Crafts, where we specialize in 3D printing and custom crochet. Now, we have been distributing and producing ear savers, this version, and we have distributed over 5,000 and donated over 1,500 to AHS. Now, I've gotten some feedback that these guys are a little weak, a little short, and a little thin. So I really appreciate your input and I really value it, and I strive to do everything to its best. So what I've done is I've done some market research and narrowed it down to 2 prototypes that are kind of split 50-50. Now, the difference is they're the same length, they're both 180 centimeters. One has 4 adjustment and they're more like knobs, and then the other one has 3 adjusters where it's more like teeth. So let me know what you prefer. I'm just going to do a quick rundown on how to utilize these, because in my first video on how to use these, apparently the lighting was off. So what I do with these is, first off, you have to put your mask on, and in order to don proper PPE, you have to use hand sanitizer or wash your hands. So hand sanitize up, wash your hands, make sure you put a lot on your hands, get it all over there between your fingers, good to go. So this is the mask saver. This is where I keep this mask. This is the one I use for videos. So it's not like I'm reusing disposable masks that I am utilizing with patients. So open this up and only touch the ear straps. Blue goes out, the metal goes to the top. Ear straps. Put it on your nose, over your ears, pinch on your nose, pull on your chin. Voila. Now, how these ear savers work is, what I do is I just put them directly on the back of my head. Grab my one ear loop, wrap it around to the adjustment loop that I prefer. Grab the other ear loop, wrap it to the adjustment. Voila. So now, when you turn around, you can see how that goes. Now, I've also introduced the nose saver, which I've had some feedback with as well, and I've updated it because I have a real hard time breathing with my mask. So I'm just going to take the mask off properly, get the ear saver off. Now, what I do with the nose saver is, this is one size fits all. You just kind of put it here on your nose. Just let it hang there. And then put your mask on. Boom. See how that is? And it actually seals better on the sides. Also, the greatest thing about this is, if y'all wear glasses, you notice they're fogging up. These glasses are super crooked, but as soon as I put them on, because of the nose saver, it redirects and there's no foggy glasses. So that's also a super benefit. Nose saver, mask saver, and ear savers. Let me know what you think, and thanks for tuning in, where I post videos. Try to do on Thursday, but I'm kind of a busy person, so keep subscribing and practice what you preach.